This is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, it is worth mentioning that in order to use the method that will be shown in this video, you have to know the password to the child's Google account. So if you do not, unfortunately, you will have to look for another way. So with this out of our agenda, we can start off. Launch settings, enter Google category, then first of all let me show that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they are. So from here you want to tap on the manage your Google account button right below the Google account itself. Then at the Google Account Management Center, open the Data and Privacy section, scroll the page down and tap on the delete your Google account button. Do not be afraid, right after the parental controls will be switched off, we will recover the account, so you will not lose it. In here, enter the password to the child's Google account. Then at the following page, check those two boxes at the bottom and tap on the delete account button once again. From here, you can get two types of messages, either the one that I've gotten that says something went wrong, or the message that will confirm that you have indeed successfully deleted the account. Both are fine, so do not worry. If you get any of those, that means that you are on the right track. So in here, let me quickly show you that my parental controls were disabled. As you can see, there is no account linked, and if I'll open up parental controls, there will be none. So all that it's left to do for us is to restore Google account, which you can very easily do by using it to sign into the Google Play. So let me do exactly that. I will enter the email address. Then that's the message that we get that says this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. That identifies that everything is great, we did everything correctly. Now enter the password real quick. You might get the something went wrong message. That is completely fine. At this stage, it basically identifies that the account was successfully recovered, but in order to still use it to log into Play Store, we need to re-enter the credentials. So I will do exactly that. So enter email address, enter password like we did before. Then accept and agree on all this default Google stuff that you need to do while signing into the Gmail account. And here we have it. As you can see, parental controls were disabled, Google account restored. Great success already. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.